Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on your Mac. Now if you're using a mouse, all you need to do in a blank space, say for instance here on our home screen, you need to press the right mouse button. This will bring up this little menu. Or if you're using a trackpad, you want to press two fingers at the same time on the trackpad, and this little menu will pop up, whether you use the two fingers or the right click. And you'll see here, new folder. Simply press this. You can rename it now. However, if you click away, what you'll need to do to rename it is right click it. Again, two finger press or right click on the mouse. Then select rename. And then you can rename the folder. You can go into the folder and create new folders. Again, two finger tap on a trackpad, right click on a mouse. The same menu will pop up, select new folder, and you can rename it. And you can keep going like that. So that's how to create a new folder on the Mac. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.